Good morning, teacher. How are you today?
Good morning, John. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good, thank you. I'm ready for the class.
That is great to hear. Are you excited to learn today?
Yes, I am very excited to learn English.
Wonderful. Today we will practice speaking.
That sounds interesting. I want to improve my speaking.
That is a good goal. Practice will help you a lot.
Teacher, I feel a little nervous when I speak.
That is normal. Do not worry too much about mistakes.
Thank you, teacher. That makes me feel better.
You are welcome. Let us start with a simple question.
Okay, I'm ready.
Can you tell me about your favorite food?
My favorite food is fried rice with chicken.
That sounds delicious. Why do you like it?
I like it because it is tasty and easy to eat.
Very good answer. You spoke clearly.
Thank you, teacher. I will keep practicing.
Now, can you ask me a question?
Yes, teacher. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta with vegetables.
That sounds healthy and nice.
Yes, it is healthy and easy to cook.
Teacher, can we learn new words today?
Yes, we will learn some new words now.
That is great. I like learning new words.
Today's words are book, pen, and notebook.
I know these words, but I want to practice more.
Good idea. Can you make a sentence with book?
I read a book every evening at home.
Excellent sentence. Now try with pen.
I use a pen to write in my notebook.
Very good. You are doing well today.
Thank you, teacher. I feel more confident now.
Confidence is very important in learning.
Teacher, can you correct my mistakes?
Yes, I will help you with your mistakes.
Thank you. I want to improve quickly.
That is a good attitude to have.
What will we do next in the class?
We will practice a short conversation.
That sounds fun and useful.
Yes, it will help your speaking skills.
Can I practice with my classmates?
Yes, you can practice with your partner.
That is great. I like group activities.
Please talk about your daily routine.
I wake up at 7 a.m. and go to school.
Good start. Please continue your sentence.
After school, I go home and do my homework.
Very nice. You explained your day clearly.
Thank you, teacher. I am learning step by step.
Yes, step by step is the best way.
Teacher, how can I practice at home?
You can watch English videos and repeat sentences.
That is a good idea. I will try it tonight.
You can also speak English with your friends.
I will ask my friends to practice with me.
That will help you improve faster.
Teacher, I want to speak like a native speaker.
That takes time, but you can do it.
I will practice every day without stopping.
That is the right way to learn.
Teacher, can you give me homework?
Yes, I will give you simple homework today.
Thank you. I will complete it on time.
Please write 5 sentences about your day.
That is easy. I can do that.
Good. Bring your homework tomorrow.
I will bring it, teacher.
Do you have any questions now?
No, I understand the lesson clearly.
That is good to hear.
I enjoyed today's class very much.
I'm happy you enjoyed the class.
Thank you for teaching me patiently.
You are welcome. I enjoy teaching you.
I will study hard and improve my English.
I believe in you, John.
That gives me more confidence.
Keep practicing and never give up.
I will not give up, teacher.
That is the spirit.
What time is our next class?
Our next class is tomorrow at 9 a.m.
I will come on time.
Please be ready for the lesson.
I will prepare before I come.
That will help you learn better.
Thank you again for the lesson.
You are welcome, John.
Goodbye, teacher. Have a nice day.
Goodbye, John. Have a great day.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Take care, teacher.
Take care, John.
Goodbye again.
Goodbye.
Hello. I would like a table for one person.
Hello, welcome. Please follow me to your table.
This table looks nice and comfortable.
I'm glad you like it. Here is the menu.
I will look at the menu for a moment.
Take your time and choose what you like.
There are many dishes here. I am not sure what to order.
I can help you if you want some suggestions.
Yes, please. What do you recommend today?
Our special today is grilled chicken with rice.
That sounds good. Is it spicy?
It is a little spicy, but not too strong.
I do not like very spicy food.
Then you can try the fried fish. It is not spicy.
That sounds like a better choice for me.
It is very popular with many customers.
I think I will order the fried fish.
Would you like rice or bread with it?
I would like rice, please.
Sure, I will note that.
Can I also get a drink?
Yes, we have juice, soda, and tea.
What juice do you have?
We have orange, apple, and mango juice.
I will take orange juice.
Good choice. Anything else for you?
Maybe I will order a soup as well.
Our vegetable soup is light and healthy.
That sounds nice. I will try the vegetable soup.
Great. I will bring your order soon.
How long will it take to prepare the food?
It will take about 15 minutes.
That is fine. I can wait.
Would you like some water while you wait?
Yes, that would be nice.
Here is a glass of water for you.
This place is very clean and quiet.
We try to keep the restaurant comfortable.
Do many people come here every day?
Yes, we have many customers at lunchtime.
I see. That means the food is good.
Yes, people like our food very much.
That makes me more excited to eat.
Your soup will be ready very soon.
I am looking forward to it.
Here is your vegetable soup.
It smells very nice and fresh.
Please enjoy your soup first.
I will try it now.
How does it taste?
It tastes light and very good.
I'm happy to hear that.
The soup is warm and relaxing.
That is great. Your main dish is coming soon.
I'm getting hungry now.
Here is your fried fish with rice.
The fish looks crispy and delicious.
Please be careful, it is still hot.
I will wait a little before eating.
That is a good idea.
I will take a small bite now.
How is the taste?
It is very tasty and not spicy at all.
That is good to know.
The rice is also soft and fresh.
We cook the rice every day.
I can tell it is fresh.
Would you like anything else?
Maybe I will get another drink later.
No problem. Just tell me when you want it.
The orange juice is also very refreshing.
I'm glad you like your drink.
I feel relaxed while eating here.
That is what we want for our guests.
Do you have dessert after the meal?
Yes, we have cake and ice cream.
What kind of cake do you have?
We have chocolate cake and fruit cake.
I like chocolate cake very much.
It is one of our best desserts.
I think I will order a slice.
Sure, I will bring it after your meal.
I am almost finished with my food.
Take your time and enjoy it.
I really like the fried fish.
That is one of our popular dishes.
I will come again to try other food.
We will be happy to see you again.
I am ready for the dessert now.
Here is your chocolate cake.
The cake looks soft and sweet.
Please enjoy your dessert.
I will try a piece now.
How is the taste?
It is sweet and very delicious.
That is wonderful to hear.
I like the chocolate flavor.
It is made fresh every day.
I finished everything on my table.
I will clear your table now.
Can I see the bill, please?
Yes, I will bring your bill right away.
I want to check the total price.
Here is your bill. Please take a look.
The price is reasonable for the meal.
We try to keep fair prices.
I will pay with cash.
That is fine. Please give me the money.
Here is the amount.
Let me count it carefully.
Is everything correct?
Yes, everything is correct.
That is good.
I will bring your change now.
I will wait here.
Here is your change.
Everything looks right.
I hope you enjoyed your meal.
I really enjoyed the food and service.
That makes me happy to hear.
The restaurant has a nice atmosphere.
We tried to make it comfortable for everyone.
I had a pleasant time here.
That is great to know.
I will tell my friends about this place.
We will be glad to welcome them.
I like trying new restaurants.
You are always welcome here.
Next time, I will try another dish.
That sounds like a good plan.
I may come here next weekend.
We will be open as usual.
That is good to know.
Do you need anything else before you leave?
No, I have everything I need.
I'm glad everything was fine.
The service was quick and friendly.
We always try our best.
I feel happy after this meal.
That is the best result for us.
I will come again in the future.
We look forward to seeing you again.
This was a very nice experience.
I'm happy you had a good time.
I will leave now.
Have a safe trip home.
See you next time.
See you again soon.
It was a good meal today.
We are glad you enjoyed it.